Chlorine gas, the most common halogen, can be liquefied at -34 degrees Celsius. To start, sodium hypochlorite solution is placed in a flask. A pressure-equalized addition funnel is placed on top. To it, 37% hydrochloric acid is added. And a gas outlet is installed. A gas washing bottle is prepared and filled with water. Another one is filled with silica gel desiccant. Everything is connected with tubing. Liquid nitrogen is used to condense and freeze the produced chlorine gas. The liquefied chlorine is then placed in vials to be sealed. After warming up, pressure builds to 700 kilopascals. If there is any defect in the glass, it will explode. After placing the ampoule in epoxide resin, it is safe to handle.